Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video, and today we're gonna look at how to sharpen a machete. This is definitely a tool where you don't want to use a bench stone because it would be horribly cumbersome. So you either need a machine like a belt grinder or the workshop machine that I often used in my videos, or if you are in the forest and you don't have any power, you can use something like this. This is the Falkniven DC4. I think this is the most classic outdoor bench stone you can have next to the landscape hack. This has the benefit of having a diamond side. So this does not care what material you have, it will just grind it. These are usually carbon steel, so they aren't that hard to grind to begin with, but it's nice to have a fast option because you're gonna grind a lot of it because it's pretty long. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The most important thing when grinding something like a machete is to find a way somehow to hold this so you don't hurt yourself. I'm gonna rest the tip on my table here, and then I'm gonna apply a bit of downward pressure so it like bends, and that way it is pretty stable. Then you can use a diamond stone, put a bit of water on it, but you don't need to, and then just start grinding. As you can see, I'm using the sharpening stone basically like a file. That's just the easiest way to do it. And as you can also see by the dust that's falling off, this is a really nice stone and the diamond side cuts really well. That's what you want for these types of blades, because otherwise it's gonna take you forever to do by hand. As for the sharpening angle, it basically follows whatever's ground into this. With a hand stone you won't change any angle, so if you see someone saying you need to sharpen this at 20 degrees or 30 degrees, just don't care about that, just follow the grind that's already in your blade, otherwise it's gonna take forever. Now that I'm finished grinding both sides, it's onto refining the edge. Chances are, if you're in the forest, you're not gonna carry your leather strap with you because it's a bit large, but what you can use is a leather belt. Then you would take the belt clip, just hang it on a stick, and then use it to strap it. However, since I'm not currently in the forest, I'm just gonna loop it around my vise. That's also a technique, just loop it around something and then use it like this. Just drop it and give your edge a little bit of extra sharpness. And just like that we are done, and we have a nice and sharp machete again. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.